Hi! Previously on my channel, I made a video of how I made a cat door. In this video, I would like to show you what is on the other side of the cat door. I wanted to move my cat's litter box from upstairs to the basement. However, we have a Michigan basement, and so that means that you have these berms of dirt here and crawl spaces. I didn't want the cats to get into that area. I had to come up with a way to make the basement cat-proof. Not having a lot of money to work with and having a lot of cardboard, I decided to give this a try. So let me try to get a good shot. Here on the other side of this beam, I stapled the cardboard to the beam to create a vertical support. And it goes down and it has a little fold to keep the cats from digging underneath. I tried to thin out the supports up high so that light could come through. And then also I tried to create these deterring strips so that light could come through, but it would deter the cat from jumping through that hole. I hot glued these, this is all cat litter right here. I hot glued these panels together and used support from the beams up above. Here's the other side where I don't want the cats to get. Here's their litter. The main issue I had to tackle was, once I realized that the cardboard worked, was how to keep the... Well, actually, let me say this first. At first, none of this cardboard was here. And one day I was down here, and then all of a sudden, my cat Geppetto jumped from the stairs right here, over through this hole onto that area up there. So I had to install this to keep him from doing that. Another challenge I had to address in keeping the cats down here is I need to get to the other area to access stuff and turn on the dehumidifier and so forth. So I made myself this door. At first, Geppetto was pawing at it nonstop, so I put those boxes there to kind of stop him. The door works like this. I lift, and it twists out of the way. Then I can leave, and then I twist it back. To make a single piece of cardboard strong enough, I hot glued a angled piece here to make it rigid vertically, and then I hot glued these boxes to the bottom for support with angled pieces for added rigidity, and this to create rigidity, but it kind of bends, so that wasn't fully successful. But overall, this door works great. It's very light. I just grab it slide it into place. So that's what's on the other side of the cat door. I hope you found this remotely interesting. It was to me. It was a fun kind of challenge of how to figure out how to keep the cats move their litter downstairs without letting them get elsewhere, which they love to do, you know. Part of my plan was to build it the best I could and let them kind of find the holes, which Geppetto did by jumping through that one spot. But overall, I've had way fewer escapes. I only had one. I thought I'd have a lot more escapes than that. And it works great. They come down here and it separates the litter from the rest of the living space in a way that I prefer. So, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Kyoko, come here. Kyoko, come here. Kyoko. I had to come up with a way to make the bathroom cat I had to come up with a way to make